None of them
Ew,
are
it
going to
hurts.
be real dark.
Oh, hey,
like
hey,
the
don't
freezers
you
if we
that.
let dog die.
Let go. Let go. They like my shoes. No.
No.
They're letting go on me and they're biting my shoelaces. They're doing
Alright guys, you might want to hop out. Because you have cleats on. If you step on one of them, it's going to hurt them.
I'm just standing in one spot, man.
Wait, where's the puppy?